Today we will discuss about refrigerant, type of refrigerant, designation of refrigerant. In type of refrigerant there are two type of refrigerant, primary refrigerant and secondary refrigerant. And designation of refrigerant is if the refrigerant is saturated hydrocarbon, then what will its chemical formula? If the refrigerant is unsaturated hydrocarbon, then what will its chemical formula or how we can derive this chemical formula? If the refrigerant is organic compound, inorganic compound, then what will its chemical formula? About this topic we will discuss in this lecture. So let's we start. What is refrigerant? Refrigerant is working substance or working fluid which is used to extract heat from the storage space. What is the meaning of storage space? Suppose this is our storage space. If we extract heat from here, with the help of refrigerant, we extract heat from this storage space. So this is about refrigerant. Type of refrigerant. There are two type of refrigerant: primary refrigerant and secondary refrigerant. Primary refrigerant are the working fluid undergoes cyclic process for to maintain the lower temperature. Means in case of primary refrigerant, we can directly use it in primary refrigerant into our cycle to maintain the lower temperature or to produce desired effect. But what about secondary refrigerant? Secondary refrigerant are those refrigerant which we have to first cool with the help of primary refrigerant. After that, we will use them as a refrigerant. Means secondary refrigerant we can not directly used in our process or in our cycle. We have to first cool secondary refrigerant with the help of primary refrigerant. Then only we can use this refrigerant in our cycle. What is the example of primary refrigerant? Primary refrigerant is R11, R12, and the secondary refrigerant are brine, water. These are the example of primary and secondary refrigerant. Now the next topic is designation of refrigerant. In designation of refrigerant, first topic is saturated hydrocarbon. The formula of saturated hydrocarbon we can derive with the help of three formulas. The first one is R M minus 1 N plus 1 P. This is first formula. Second one is N plus P plus Q is equal to 2M plus 2. This will second one. And the last one is our chemical formula, but it is in term of alphabet. CmHn FpClQ. With the help of these three formulas, we can calculate chemical formula for saturated hydrocarbon. So we start and take an example of very first primary refrigerant, that is R11. We have to compare this refrigerant with this first formula. To compare this, we can modify this formula as R011. So there is no change in the name of R11. We can say R011 or directly R11. So 0 will equal to M minus 1, N plus 1 will equal to 1, and P is also equal to 1. So from here, by comparison, we can write the value of M and NP. So M minus 1 is equal to 0. So M is equal to 1. N plus 1 is equal to 1. So N is equal to 0. And P is equal to 1. We get the value of M and P. This value we can put in the second formula, that is 0, 1 plus Q is equal to 2 into 1 plus 2. So the value of Q will 3. We have values of M and P and Q. This value we can put in this formula and we get the chemical formula for R11, that is C1H0F1Cl3, or we can write CFCl3. This is chemical formula for R11. We calculate the chemical formula for R11. We can also write the chemical formula for R12, R13, or R134. This is for R12, R22, R134. If we compare these refrigerant, that is R11, R12, R22 and R134, the common thing is that chlorine element. In this case, refrigerant chlorine element is present, but in fourth one no chlorine element is present. So it is called eco-friendly refrigerant, because this chlorine element react with ozone layer and depletes or minimize the thickness of ozone layer. This chlorine element, which is present in the most commonly used refrigerant, is harmful for our ozone layer, which is presented in stratosphere. So we have to use those refrigerant which is not harm our or ozone layer, because if the thickness of ozone layer decrease, then the harmful ultraviolet rays with filter ozone layer comes into our earth and harm the human being, and it will be reason of cancer, skin cancer and other type of disease which these rays can produce. So we have another option for eco-friendly refrigerant is fluorocarbon, hydrofluorocarbon. These are the another eco-friendly refrigerant which we can use in place of commonly used refrigerant to minimize the effect of this chlorine element. So R134 is called eco-friendly refrigerant. So this is about saturated hydrocarbon. If we talk about unsaturated hydrocarbon, then the formula will R1 M minus 1 N plus 1 P. This is first formula. If we compare this and this formula, then the only difference is this one. This one. If you compare for your remind purpose, here is the difference is this only one, and the second formula will N plus P plus Q is equal to 2M. This is second formula. There is present 2 but there is no 2, and the last one formula will remain same, CM HN FPClQ. Then we can calculate the chemical formula for R115. If we want to calculate the chemical formula, then we can compare this one will equal to 1, M minus 1 is equal to 1 and N plus 1 is equal to 5. So we can write M minus 1 is equal to 1, so M is equal to 2. N plus 1 is equal to 5, so N is equal to 4 and P is equal to 0. If we put this value of M, N and P in the second formula, then 4 plus 0 plus Q is equal to 2 into 2. So Q is also equal to 0. So the final formula for R115 is C2H4F0Cl0. So this will C2H4. This is formula for unsaturated hydrocarbon. So we calculate the formula for saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. The last one is inorganic compound, that is third. We we can calculate this by directly by a formula, that is R 700 plus molecular weight. This is directly formula for inorganic compound, from which we can directly derive the formula for refrigerant, that is NH3. For this will R 700 and the molecular weight is 70. So this will R 717. For H2O, R 700 plus 18, R 718. SO2, R 700 plus 64, R 764. In this lecture we will discuss about refrigerant, type of refrigerant, in which first one is primary refrigerant. This refrigerant undergo a cyclic process, or we can directly use in our cycle. But in case of secondary refrigerant, we have to first cool with the help of primary refrigerant, then we can use secondary refrigerant into the cycle. Example of primary refrigerant is R11, R12, R22, R134, and the example of secondary refrigerant is brine and H2O. After that we discuss about designation of refrigerant, that is saturated, unsaturated and inorganic compound. In saturated we have to remember three formula. With the help of this formula we can derive the chemical formula for the refrigerant, and R134 or R134A, both are same. These are eco-friendly refrigerant which do not harm the ozone layer. So we have to use this refrigerant. These are most commonly used refrigerant, but the chlorine element which is present in these refrigerant is harm our ozone layer. And the another option for eco-friendly refrigerant is fluorocarbon, hydrofluorocarbon. In place of this chemical or this refrigerant we have to use eco-friendly refrigerant. And the another one is unsaturated hydrocarbon. The formula of these and they are same, so we can use or compare for our remaining purpose this formula. And the unsaturated hydrocarbon is C2H4. And last one we discuss about inorganic compound. So for inorganic compound we have directly formula, that is R700 plus molecular weight. So this is about refrigerant. Thank you.